What is an accessible layout? An accessible layout combines color by function and pictures and pictographs and a simplified layout. How do we start? We start with a very easy layout. By example, light background colors or even white background colors are most easiest to understand if you combine it with dark controls. Then you can add color by function, that is using the type of control with a specific function. By example, controls that have to navigate in blue and buttons that have to speech in yellow. Then you can add pictures to the application that you just saw what it is about. By example, if you make an application about what's on the menu today, you can just put pictures of the menu in combination with the text in a very accessible layout, and then people with disabilities all over the world can understand what is on the menu. You can do the same for a lot of things like activities, people that they want to see today, and that's how you include people to the normal life through digital systems.